Hello, everyone. My name is Everett Olivan, and I lead the America's SAP Sales Specialist Organization at AWS. After more than a year of virtual and video conference meetings with my team, I'm excited to be talking to you today from our AWS Seattle office, where we are conducting our very first hybrid in-person and virtual team meetings since the pandemic started. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to invite you all to another very exciting hybrid event taking place later this year, the 2021 AWS reInvent Conference being held in Las Vegas, November 29th through December 3rd. That's right, AWS is holding its annual reInvent Conference in a hybrid setting for the very first time this year. You may be an SAP enterprise embarking on a digital transformation journey, looking for ways to extend your mission-critical systems with AWS services like AI, ML, IoT, and analytics. Perhaps your organization is considering moving to S/4HANA, or just looking to take advantage of AWS's cloud economics team to identify cost savings and operational efficiencies. We have many exciting things in store for you at reInvent this year. You will hear from marquee SAP customers like Johnson & Johnson, John Deere, and Marco Polo on how they are leveraging the AWS platform to drive more value from their SAP landscapes. You'll also get the opportunity to meet with AWS executives and SAP experts from across the organization, including our solution architecture team that can guide you on how to build highly available, disaster-ready SAP architectures. Our AWS professional services team can share best practices on how to accelerate the deployment of SAP in the cloud, and our SAP competencies partners can share the innovative services they've built to support the automation and operation of SAP systems on AWS. With hundreds of virtual and in-person SAP-focused breakout sessions, workshops, and executive briefing sessions at reInvent this year, I'm confident that you will walk away with new learnings to take back to your organization, which will drive more value from your SAP landscapes. So make sure to take advantage of the SAP track at reInvent this year, whether in person or online. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you there. Safe travels.